Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that controls Safe Search because the filter is account-specific. Once signed in, go to Google. Com and Open Settings, then Search Settings. In Search Settings, find the Safe Search filter. Flip the toggle to off and click Save to apply the change. Doing this at the account level ensures searches on that account won't be filtered. Make sure you don't have a different account signed in at the same time, or you'll change the wrong one. Once Safe Search is off in Search Settings, verify there isn't an account-level lock preventing the change. Open Google Account Settings and look for search or safety controls. If a Safe Search lock exists, remove it by following the prompts. If the device is managed by Family Link or a supervised account, sign into the parent account to disable filtering there. Make sure to clear cookies and cache or perform the change in the browser you normally use, so cached preferences don't override your new setting. You finish by testing. Perform multiple searches to confirm unfiltered results appear, including images and videos. If results still seem filtered, sign out of Google, sign back in, and restart your browser or device to clear any lingering state. Make sure you're using the same account where you disabled Safe Search. Troubleshooting tip. If changes revert or persist, inspect Family Link or Managed Device Settings and remove any Safe Search lock from the supervising account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.